TinMan here. It is Thursday afternoon at right at 2 o'clock. Taking a Mopickle ride down to the gym. Rain goes up at 4 o'clock, jumps to like 45%, so we'll get this in. Didn't put a video out last night. I felt like crap. This medicine is trying to kick my butt. Got to get off of it if I can get the doctor to write a prescription for my Apeman. It might be worth just going down there to see if they're there. Check in anyways. Ow. Yeah, I went to the gun club yesterday and zeroed in the my Model 32. Got my slide back on my 23, made it a 32. Put the Hollison on it, went and zeroed it, about sweated to death. It was some kind of buggy, I mean serious buggy. Down there about, I don't know, 35, 40 minutes. Fired 15 rounds to zero it. About died of heat exhaustion. Felt like. Went home, took my stuff by the house. Get my suit pack out of the tour pack. Sat down to cool off a little and decided I don't feel like going to the gym. Took a nap, went to bed early, still feel like shit. Got to get off of this Pringling. Alabama, which you drive the speed limit instead of driving 50. Mid-80s, 85 degrees should be relatively comfortable, but it's not. Run in here and do a check-in and see if going down to the doctor's office, see if they're still there. of y'all have had big plans waylaid by the COVID crap. Vacation plans or big rides. I know they keep canceling rides left and right. Porsche, four-door Porsche. I know our big annual Georgia Police Memorial ride was normally in April. They put it off to October 17th, and they just canceled it first of this week because Atlanta won't give them the permits they need even in October. That's crazy as shit that this stuff, and that's not COVID. I think that's protesting, because they're still marching the streets of Atlanta, destroying stuff. You know, they say they protest calmly, but it never fails that they always turn into violence, because there's hoodlums in every crowd. Some are paid to be there, I believe. Thing that was on YouTube a month or so ago, and it was basically laid out and showed everything on how COVID was planned and set up by the Democrats. That they had a lab there in China where the outbreak started, and they were designated to develop this version of COVID, or the coronavirus. And when the impeachment failed, then they released it to try to mess with the election year. Yeah, even though, and it even said that they didn't care if they killed hundreds of thousands of people. That was the price to get back into office. You know, I always knew how evil the Clintons are. Never to this point desire to have power in office, well more than the desire to keep people safe. No, I mean, they basically have done nothing for 4 years but work on trying to eliminate Trump. Good Lord, there's no telling what President Trump could have done if he had the full support and not fighting the Democrat part with his hands tied. He still got a heck of a lot done. But it's like one agenda, get back in office with the Democrats, no matter what. I thought the whole idea was to be there for the people, no matter what. You didn't see the Republicans when Obama was elected, failing to do their job, protesting, jumping up and down, trying to impeach him, all that crap. No, they bickered for a few weeks, then got back to business. Democrats, dude, they have plotted every day since on how to remove Trump. Who cares about what it has done to the economy, to America. Matter of fact, you got some of the prominent Democrats saying they've done stuff to tear down this country. They should be let out and executed. Okay. Enough politics. I do have my Trump shirt on, so I guess that's why, but oh my goodness. Sun came out from behind that cloud and it's toasty sitting here at a light. Lost the airflow. Huh. I got hot. Got the check-in done without stopping. Run over here across the interstate, see if they're there. All right, my friends, I'm gonna go ahead and thank you for coming along on the ride with me. I appreciate the time. I know your time is valuable and it's not left unnoticed by me. So if you like this video, slap the thumbs up and give it a like. Don't forget to comment with words or an emoji or both, but that's important. And most important, don't forget, grab that slider if you can't watch the whole video and pull it all the way, to the right. Pull that all the way to the right and not, make a note of where you're at if you want to come back and watch it later, finish it, but don't just drop off at 10 or so. Interesting outfit. That helps us creators the most because YouTube punishes us the hardest for short watched videos. And if you're not a subscriber, if you just happen to surf in, I would appreciate it if you would hit that subscribe button and join my family of Motu Vlogs. When you do, bell icon will appear. Click that top bell, and YouTube will let you know when my new videos are out to be watched. You don't have to guess, all that good stuff. You just get a notice that I put one out, which is generally between 10 and 2 a.m. at night. So, this is the Chestnut Mountain Tin Man saying thank you for coming along, and we will see you tomorrow.